Hakajialang kekurhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 kebalapan long haka khat South Regunai wing arja arpusan ke Sorkar kala menjur ban Shimbiang salai pusan ekar ke Jaka Tynring New Shillong Township ban pen kenria ya ke Central Jail na ke Jaka ke Bakadan Menta. Habakran sikilat pathai kubur unong ai ketien ke Sorkar uba Wailadmiki Shylla menteri berikmi ya ke transport ulaong baka Sorkar kala yo ya ke tege Jaka hakador ke balabu da ke deputy commissioner. Nalor kata ulaong ru baka ni ke jingtmu jong ke Sorkar kalong ban pen kelut ya ke nong ba Shillong.
The acquisition of additional land at Tynring, New Shillong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. As of now, I think we are not in the, definitely we'll try to develop it, but as of now, I think I'm not in the position to say all that because I think the urban department will be, definitely they will think of something good in order to beautify and to ease the congestion in Shillong. See, because we are in the process, because it has to be clear from the cabinet. Then only we are already in talk with the, so it is, since it has been brought to the cabinet, so I think very soon it will be clear. So the rate actually it is 250 per square feet and to 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is, the DC notified rate is 2,900 per square meter. So we got it below the DC notified rate. No, because now see we are in the process of acquiring the land. So once we acquire the land, then only we can proceed with the construction. Private party, and it is from the previous owner only, where we previously also we have bought the land for I think for police police reserve or something. Jail, for that I think that the clarity is not with me, but for right now as I have been informed that it is for jail.
Akan digajialang kekenhuan kala menjuru ban penkelaya ke Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act arajan rio ke jing penkelaya ke rule 6(d) jong ke Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules arajar khatnyo nalor kiwei pan.
Amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally, I mean, like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. The amendment to Rule 6(d) of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2 of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW. The service rule for the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. We are just amending on this where we are where they will be allowed to have their own recruitment board and to recruit their staff. The proposal for reappointment of the president of the state commission and member to the Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here, as you know, that the term of the Honorable Justice Shivaji Pandey as the president of Meghalaya State Consumer Commission shall come to an end on the 6/12/2025, and as per rule the president of the state commission shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 4 years subject the age limit of 67 years. So that's why since his term is getting over on 6/12/2025, so he is we are going for the reappointment of Justice Shivaji Pandey as the president. And another, we have also recommended the name of the members. The 4 members recommended are Major Unsam Bantalang Nongset, Srimati Rupa Paul Chaudhary, Srimati Nelisa Ferret Karshieng, and Shri Bijoy A. Sangma. So these are the agenda discussed today in the cabinet.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.